Alright, so we got the hard stuff done, all the digging in the digging out the patio stones. So we've got the drip line in between the two, or dug in between the two shrub beds. So now we're just about ready to move on. So I'll give you a look at what this all looks like here. So again, we started at the tap here, put our pressure regulator on, and then we've got it going underneath the fence. Again, just temporary, this stuff. And then we dug out underneath of the brick and got our drip line going through the first bed. And then we dug out underneath these bricks and took the patio stones out, put them back in. We dug it in back to the second bed through to the end. And now I just got to cut the pipe and see if there's water that flows through it still. Okay, so we finished putting everything, or the drip line, through the shrub beds, and now I'm just going to cut it off at the end here. My blue lock cutting tool, free plug for that. And what we got to do is just slide our clamp on there. Oh shoot, I need a screwdriver.
I don't have one.
Put our plug in here, and then we're just going to tighten up the clamp, and that's going to be our end plug for our drip lines.